Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the Mscoco loose deep wave hair right here. The packaging comes with a bag to keep the hair safe and neat when not in use, and it also comes with a mirror, like a pulse mirror. That's so cute. And it comes with a wig cap as well, and that's what the hair looks like, guys. It's in the length 22. The hair has 3 combs at the top and 1 comb at the back, and it also has an elastic strap at the back also, in case you don't want to use glue or gel to secure the hair. But for the sake of this video, I showed you guys the boot cap method and how I would apply the wig on my head if I want it to last for like 2 to 3 days. I applied the got to be glued on my cap and I blow dried it for it to be able to lay flat on my head, and I cut off the excess cap on my head, and I showed you guys what the wig looks like before styling or cutting the lace. I'm wearing the cap in the size medium, and I cut the excess lace off the wig and I applied the got to be glue on my forehead. I blow dried it and applied the lace on the areas where I applied the gel earlier. Because I used gel to lay the hair down, I didn't want to apply mousse on the hairline because it's going to lift, so I decided to apply tiny little bit of oil on the hair, and I tied the scarf on the hair and I left it there. I took off the scarf, but guys, look at the coils of the hair. The hair is so coily. I actually don't know what to do with baby hair. You guys know I don't really like baby hair, but in this case I tried to do one, but it looks so funny, like seriously. But that's not a problem anyway. If you decide that I like baby hair, then go ahead and have one, because there's baby hair around the perimeters of the hair, both front and back, which is really good. I also showed you guys all the hairstyle that I would go for wearing this hair. This hair is really soft, and the curls, guys, the curls, watch how I undo the hair and you see how the curls bounce back. If you're like me that love curly hair, you definitely love this hair. Look at the hair, guys. There's no heat or anything, it's just by rolling the hair, and look at how the curls form, and really nice. So I showed you the half up half down hairstyle and all the hairstyle that I'll go for, in short. But depending on you guys, you can style the hair anyhow you like. But the most important thing that I really like about the hair is the fact that the quality of the hair is really good, guys. Really good. Ignore my baby hair, okay? So don't judge me with that. So I really love the hair, and I love how coily the hair is. I like the curls of the hair, really. Look at that, guys. Just by combing the hair, look at how the curls forms without using any oil comb or anything whatsoever. I was actually tempted not to curl this hair for you guys because I was feeling the curls of the hair straight from the box, but I thought, well, why not? For the sake of the video, let me just curl the hair for you. But if it's left to me, I wouldn't curl this hair at all. But I applied the Tresemme, heat protection spray on the hair, and I decided to curl it with the Tresemme curling towel. Also wear the hair wet, like I showed you guys right now. Look at how the curls pop. That's another style you could go for, like straight from the box, without having to worry about curling the hair. It's left to you guys. But I curled the hair and I decided to go for a loose wave. I curled the hair away from my face, and that's what I'm just showing you guys, really. There's nothing more. But if you're not sure of how I curl my hair, please feel free to check out my previous video. But look at that, guys, the curls are popping. Also, if you're the type that like tighter curls, you can decide to use your wand to achieve that look. But right now I'm going for a loose wave. I use my hand to brush out the coils from the hair, and voila, this is the finished look. This is the finished results, guys. What do you think? I am loving this so far. I am loving it. I also decided to go for a pat as usual. As always, I decided to apply my powder at the parting area. Guys, the hair can be pat anywhere you like, but I decided to go for this pat, which I think suits me better, in my opinion. So that's the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and stay tuned for the review. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this loose deep wave hair right here. The hair is actually from Mscoco and is in the length 22 inches. I'm wearing the medium cut size right now, and the hair is actually curly straight from the box, obviously because it's a deep wave hair. I curl the hair for you guys to see how well the hair hold curls. There are a lot of things that I really like about this hair, and I'm going to share to you, and I'm going to share them with you guys right now. So the first thing that I really noticed about this hair is the fact that the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, and also the hair comes with a wig cap, a bag to store the hair in case you want to keep it safe and neat. Those are the things in the box. And another thing that I noticed and like about the hair is the fact that the quality of the hair is really amazing, guys. Even before I curled the hair, I showed you guys the curls of the hair straight from the box. If not because of the sake of this video, I really don't need to curl this hair at all. The curl pattern of the hair straight from the box is quite amazing, guys. I really love how curly the hair was. But at some point in time in the video, I was thinking, should I curl it, should I not curl it? Because I was actually feeling the curls that came with the hair straight from the box. I love the pattern of the curls. But I decided to curl the hair because I wanted to show you guys what the curls looks like. And guys, you guys saw how the hair was like when I curled this hair. It was really bouncy and really nice. So I was wondering, wow, what if I had used a curling wand on this hair? Then it would be so much even fantastic. But I decided to go for a loose coil anyway, which I'm actually loving at the moment. And also, apart from the fact that the hair curls really well and the curl pattern of the hair straight from the box looks amazing, the quality of the hair is really nice, because the hair went straight through the curler. When I was curling it, it was really soft and silky to touch. There was no tangling or shedding throughout the styling process whatsoever. And another thing that I really like about the hair is the fact that the hairline has been pre-plucked straight from the box, and so there is no need for you to worry about plucking the hairline. I noticed about the hair is the fact that the hair comes with a baby hair around the perimeters of the hair. In case you want to have that baby hair look, yes, you've got baby hair around the perimeters, both front and back of the hair. And also the construction of the cap is really amazing. And I also like the construction of the cap. It has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back of the wig, in case you want to style it like a ponytail. So you might as well use the comb to secure the hair at the back of the wig. And another thing that I really like about the hair is the fact that the hair is also glueless. So depending on the look you're going for, you can decide to use the adjustable strap at the back of the cap to secure the wig. You can wear the hair glueless with just the elastic strap, or you can attach an elastic band on the hair and you're good to go without even worrying about adding glue or gel on the hair. So another thing that I really like about the hair is the fact that the parting space, guys, the parting space is up to here, as you can tell from the video. Depending on what look or patch you're going for, you can pat the hair anywhere you like. I also showed you guys how you can pat the hair in the video. So depending on the patch you want, if you want the half patch, if you want center patch, you can pat the hair anywhere on the lace. I also like the fact that the hair is also true to length. There have been no shedding whatsoever. It's so silky and very soft to touch. I really like the hair. And also, in terms of the shipping of the hair took about 3 days to get here in the UK. So depending on where you're based, but here in the UK the hair took about 3 days to get here. Hair is also 150 density, and it's really lightweight on the head, but it's very full, guys. So the most important thing that I really want to share with you guys is the fact that this vendor hair are very affordable, guys. I mean very affordable. They have different hairstyles. They have deep wave, they have loose wave, they have kinky, they have all type of hair textures and styles that you would want, and at an reasonable and affordable prices. So that I like about the vendor. For me, I would definitely recommend this hair for beginners. If you're the type that you're not so sure about how to pluck your lace front wig, or if you're the type that you just want to get your hair and cut the lace and get on with it, then I definitely recommend this hair. The reason why I said that is because everything has been done straight from the box. And bear in mind that the hair is super curly straight from the box. All you need to do is bring the hair out of the box, cut the lace and brush the hair, and you're good to go. I really love the curl pattern straight from the box, and I love the fact that I don't have to worry about curling the hair, if not for the sake of this video. So the hair felt really lightweight on my head, and for 150 density, I am loving it. Hair also comes in different lengths. I believe the hair is from length 12 to 24, so depending on what length you want. I also like the fact that the cap fits really well on me, and I am feeling this hair, guys. I am feeling it. Apart from the fact that you can pat the hair anyhow you like, you can also style the hair anyhow you like. I showed you guys few of the style that I would go for with the hair. I'm loving it so far. I love the fact that the hair is really soft, and bear in mind that you can also bleach the hair or dye the hair or whatever you want to do with the hair. You can dye it, you can bleach it, and you can tongue it. You can do whatever you like with the hair, just like your own natural hair. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.